Gather your materials and follow along to make this cute octopus with your kids. You need yarn, scissors, a small ball, your glue gun, and googly eyes. Cut about 40 strands of yarn 11 inches long. Bundle all of your strands together and attach them by making a bow in a different color yarn about 3/4 of an inch from the end. Place the ball in the middle of the strands of yarn under the bow. Hold the ball in place by making another bow underneath. Divide the yarn into 8 parts. Braid each part separately and fasten with a bow. Cut the hair to equal lengths and do the same for each tentacle. Use your glue gun to add the eyes. These are sure to be a hit with your little ones. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.